Hi guys, this is Lewis with just a quick video forecast. I'm doing a different style this time. You get to see the ugly face behind the voice probably for the first time actually. Thinking about it, yeah, probably will be. Anyhow, I'm just going to talk about the potential for some stormy weather tomorrow, wet weather, and of course the potential for some very stormy weather and humid air coming up from the south Wednesday, Thursday next week. But I'll start with the overnight forecast into tomorrow. And we've currently got a weather system moving in from the southwest now as I speak, affecting southwestern parts of England, around the Bristol Channel just into Wales. It's now moving through into the West Midlands. This is going to continue to move eastwards throughout the course of this evening, overnight, into the early hours of tomorrow morning, clearing around 5 or 6 AM from East Anglia and the southeast of England. There will be some heavy pulses of rain, and it's pretty organised. I reckon the most intense part of the intense rainfall will be across more towards East Midlands, South East and East Anglia, just as it moves away during the early hours of tomorrow morning. We've currently got some more precipitation affecting northwestern parts of England. It's not good. They had up to 100mm of rain in some areas yesterday, well, in a 24-hour period. The precipitation is heavy this time, it's a little bit more patchier, but then again it is organised and rather persistent, so it's not good for the river levels and for those that have experienced some flooding. Tomorrow morning we're going to start on a pretty cloudy note. We're going to have that band of precipitation around 5 or 6 AM just exiting southeast England and East Anglia, and we've also got showers and another organised area of precipitation making their way down from the north, affecting central parts of northern England, initially affecting Scotland, and moving south across northeastern parts of England into Pennine areas as well. There is a chance of some thundery showers tomorrow typically for eastern areas and to northeastern England. There's a couple of 100 kp out there with a negative lift index. Don't be surprised to rumble of thunder, and there could be a couple of organised showers, more organised period of showers that could be quite heavy and thundery, although the risk for anything severe is extremely low in this type of setup. But what we'll see tomorrow is we'll see the wind switch to a more north-northwesterly. So it's going to be a little bit on the cooler side for northern areas, although for southern areas you're looking at temperatures between 18 and 19 degrees on the south coast, typically 14 to 17 degrees as they head further north into northern England, northwest England and Scotland. What we'll see is the showers dissipating as we head into the early evening, although there'll be some pretty potent showers knocking around Northern Ireland tomorrow. They've got a good bit of energy. A lot of guys I've noticed in Northern Ireland have been moaning about the lack of storms, etc. But I think they should get a couple of nice storms brewing up tomorrow. Looking into next week, well, it's looking good, isn't it? I mean, I can't remember the last time. It probably would have been last year, but I don't think we did so well up in Hull. I can't remember last time I've seen nearly 2,000 kp and a lift index of -7 to -8 on the charts. I think it might have been 2006 was the last time. I think it was June. Anyhow, it's looking good. ECM is kind of not as good, but the GFS is looking pretty smart. It's been persistent with its predictions, although every few model runs it has kind of backed off from the idea and had everything further east. We've been in more of a westerly, what I call westerly flow, with heavy precipitation across the West Midlands northwards, with it staying dry into southeastern areas. But it is looking good out there for the storm potential next week, Wednesday, Thursday in particular. I'll keep checking the charts and keep having a little ponder and whatnot, doing a few video forecasts as to what I think will happen. You're probably better off keeping an eye on Nick's general ideas forecast as well, because I mean he gets them spot on pretty much every time. He's the one that's got more experience than me with storms. I'm more of a winter guy, but I've been converted. So yeah, thanks for watching the video forecast. Goodbye.